Hey everyone, let's learn how to use Cognee in 3 minutes. Cognee is an open source memory layer for AI apps and agents. Cognee allows you to build and customize your own memory for your agents in your specific domains. We are a tool that can plug into Claude Code, Honcho, and other systems and allow them to have seamless memory and let your, for example, OpenClaw instances suddenly move away from these MD files to something that's more structured, durable, but still stays on your machine, is fully under your control, and is using any type of an open source LLM to do it. To get started, go to our Cognee repo and check out our README. It's very easy to run Cognee. Cognee has only a few commands in the default setup that you can use to get started quite quickly, and they are quite powerful. So, first command is cognee.remember. Cognee.remember allows you to save the data both to session store and the permanent store. So what's a session store and what's a permanent store? With cognee.remember, your agent can save its reasoning, tool calls, and everything else relevant to it to what we call a session store. And this is using Redis underneath, and it's allowing us to store dynamically the data and information that the agent is producing as it's reasoning, solving its issues. The permanent store, on the other hand, is a place where the agent is effectively reasoning and storing the information for long-term use. So that's where we use graphs and vectors to build this long-term representation, this world model of sorts that allows us to really understand over the period of time as the knowledge accumulates, changes, evolves, and matures, how to actually search it, understand it, retrieve it, and add it into our developer workflows. So first command for you is, after you do pip install cognee or uv install cognee, is to actually do cognee.remember. You can add any type of a data file or a string or anything else you have on your drive, and that will be shown and stored in what we call a knowledge graph. And the second command you need is cognee.recall. Cognee.recall will automatically route your query and give you the right answer for the question you have. We have around 15 built-in search systems inside that allows us to find the right part of your memory, retrieve it, update it, change its structure as it's evolving, and then give you the right answer in the next iteration if the first answer was incorrect. All of that's baked in, all of that's in our documentation, but this was just a short video to explain how to get started with Cognee. You just need to do cognee.remember and cognee.recall, and don't forget to install it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and let us know if you have any questions. Join our Discord and let us know in the comments.